These are the elevators at the Sarasota County Terrace building in Sarasota, Florida. Apparently we have this one. They've been modernized recently. Let's go to 10. I'm not sure what kind of fixtures these are. Lobby. Whoa. Here's a look at this. Everything is like brass colored. No, don't. It's probably gonna leave me. At least you can get a good view of not much of downtown, but some of Sarasota. We have this one. At least you get to ride two of these elevators in this video. Does this one shake? Maybe not. Lobby. There's the inspection certificate. Here's the cab, which I find to be very interesting. Apparently, there either are or were manually controlled OS elevators in this building. Maybe these were manually controlled. Whoa, I just realized these are Mowrey elevators, which I didn't expect to see. Here we are in the lobby. So with that being said, that'll be it.